Hey everyone, greetings from Copperscove, Texas. I'm here at my grandparents' house, and since I am in Texas, I just designed this new origami model. Check it out. It is the state of Texas. And this is from a single uncut square, and I'm going to show you guys how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this origami state of Texas, I'm going to use a 6" square of kami, but you can use a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin with the white side up, and we're going to fold in half. We're going to make a pinwheel base. Let's try to make very precise folds, and crease sharply. Okay, so we fold it in half both ways, and now make a door base. So fold both sides to the middle. Okay, rotate, and fold the short sides to the middle. Okay, rotate like this, and fold this corner to here, and hold the layers down so they don't slide. Okay, and then when you unfold it, just separate the two corners like that. And these should be folded, and that's good. Alright, and now repeat in the other direction. So take this corner and fold it to here. Hold the layers down so they don't slide. Okay, and then unfold. Just separate the corners, like that. Alright, and now comes the fun move. We're going to take this paper here, and we're going to pull it out. And same on this side. Okay, and then repeat. Oh look, we have a dog. Okay, and repeat right here too. Like that. Okay, so this is going to be the underside, the side with the white, and the clean side without the edges. That's going to be the top. That's going to be this side, the visible side. So stay on this side and fold this flap up and this flap down. Like that. Okay, so this part is going to be this part of the Texas, and this is going to be this part where El Paso is, and this bottom part is going to be this part where Corpus is. Okay, so let's work on this part where Lubbock is. So we're going to do, we're actually going to thin it out first. So turn over. There, let me show you again. So we're working on this part. Turn over on this side, and take this edge and fold it to here. See, it was like this, turn it over like that. I just want to make sure you're doing this step correctly. And don't fold the whole thing, just fold just from the crease right here to the right. Alright, and then now, gotta zoom in a little bit more, take this interior flap, and we're going to fold it underneath this flap. We're folding on the crease. And then don't flatten here yet. What we're going to do is we're actually going to take this edge and we're going to fold it up to the top as well. And then squash right here. Okay, and right here, squash like this. And there you go. Okay. So you can see, we thinned it out. And we're going to make this part a little bit taller later. So let's get rid of this ugly part sticking out, so let's just fold it in like this. And then now, yeah, I guess we'll just fold it in now, just keep it like that. Okay, so fold it in like this. You can really get rid of this actually however you can. I did it a little bit differently on this model, but I really don't think it matters how you can. I'm just going to fold it in like this, just like that, and then we're going to round it by folding. Yeah, I guess we can take this corner and fold it to that corner. This is really to taste. This is really up to you right here. Okay? Alright, and let's actually undo that step for right now and turn back over. And we're going to make this part, where Lubbock is, a little bit taller. So take this raw edge and fold it to this edge. Okay, let's undo that flap for now. Okay, and then let's take this edge and fold it to here too. Like that, and squash this part. We're squashing it so this raw corner aligns with the edge in the middle. Like that. Okay. Alright, now turn over, and now comes the most difficult step. We're gonna make a spread squash right here. So we're gonna fold this up, aligning with the edge below. And we're gonna make a spread squash. And this spread squash, I don't really have a guide mark for this. You're really on your own for this. This is just up to you to taste. You can just spread squash it however you can. Just make it so it's somewhat like a triangle, like that. It's okay if it's a little bit messy looking, it's fine. That's just the best I can do. Okay. Alright, and now we're gonna make this completely straight across. So, fold in between these 2 points. Like that. Okay. See? And that's what it looks like. And you can see the state of Texas is already taking its shape. Now turn over and let's just finish off this part. So fold this up. And fold this up a little bit. And actually, on this model, I actually kind of lock this a little bit by folding the flap inside. Like this, but I'm actually not going to do that. I'm just going to keep it like this. Okay? And remember, you're really on your own for that part. Alright, now let's just continue shaping it. So, let's shape this part where Laredo is, or Corpus Christi is. So, turn over on this side and just fold this up a little bit to taste. Okay, and there you go. That's what it looks like. And now for this part, where El Paso is, we're gonna make like a curved fold to taste, because it has that little part right underneath it. You know what I mean? So just make a curved, or something like this, just a mountain fold that's curved. See? There you go. And that's what it should look like. Actually, I'm gonna make the fold go to about here. There you go. Okay. And you can just have it about like that. And just really shape it to taste. And once you did that, your Origami State of Texas is all done. So yeah, it's not really an action model. It's just more like a cool looking model, a display model. So yeah, and I guess when I get home to my house, I'll probably hang it up on my wall. So yeah, there it is. Well, hope you guys were able to fold that. And if you liked the video, give it a like, and I appreciate any comments down below what you think about this video. And make sure you subscribe, so that way you'll get notified every time I launch a new video. Alright, hope you guys like this model, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.